If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now, we are looking at a 2016 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. This is another vehicle we're in the process of we're going to build. This is a collision vehicle, has damage to the left side. We did our analysis. We think the car is worth fixing. Really nice car. Frame and unibody look straight. Starts and drives. Has very low miles. Engine compartment really nice and square. This is a V8 twin turbo, not the 12-cylinder, which is more desirable. It's better on gas and just as fast. Do a quick walk around. No buckles in the roof. Windshield is okay. Had really low miles, I believe under 10,000 miles. Really nice. Sorry for the video's a little tight. We got a lot of cars that came in. We shrink wrap this side. We don't want any water going inside or any rainwater cause any further damage. We ordered the 2 door shells from the dealer, brand new. We got all the interior parts of the doors. Some bonehead from a body shop cut out the rocker skin over here, so we ordered the rocker panel as well. These guys don't know what they're doing. They just do this to charge the insurance companies. Usually they're not capable of fixing these types of vehicles, and they'll just do something so they can collect some type of money, causing damage for no reason. Let's take a look inside. A really nice interior, saddle color. We have all the door panels and interior door parts. I believe they're in the trunk. But as you can see, no airbags are deployed. We got the driver mirror. That's a few $1,000. Always good to see loose parts. Got the door trims right there. I love when airbags are not deployed. The interior always should be perfect in the car. It really helps on the resale when you don't got to mess with it too much. Got rear power shade. Got the little tables in the back. Rear climate control. Power heated and massage seats. The Bentley stitching. Rear dome light. Really sharp car. See the parts in the trunk. Got the door panels, power window motors, moldings, all the loose parts that are missing from the doors are here, which is good. As soon as we're done building it, I'll post the photos on the website and an update video. Thanks for watching.